Hello and welcome to our Create a Refer a Friend campaign. My name is Judy Miller. I'm going to walk you through how to create a Refer a Friend campaign. We're going to open up Infusionsoft, and when we open up Infusionsoft, we're going to hover over the Infusionsoft logo or cornerstone, come to Marketing and down to Campaign Builder and click it one time. I'm going to go all the way over to the right and there's a white button here called Get Campaign Templates. I'm going to click on that Get Campaign Templates. And this is going to open up our marketplace with our campaign template repository. And I'm going to come down to the search right underneath the guy and I'm going to type in refer. I'm going to hit the little magnifying glass and anything with refer in it will show up. And I'm going to come here and click on the middle one called Refer a Friend. And I'm going to ask Infusionsoft by clicking on that install button to install it right into the Infusionsoft application. Okay. There's my campaign. Now I'm going to click in it and open it up. Now there's some things on this installed campaign that we don't need anymore. The first thing I'm going to do is get rid of these notes. These notes are just for you so that you, if you're building it by yourself, you can read them. So I'm just going to delete them and get rid of that so it doesn't disturb us. Infusionsoft, our new campaign builder, does not have traffic sources anymore. These icons with the little leaf and the little man with the tablet, we don't use anymore, so I'm going to click on them and delete them. They have no functionality in the software. And this little guy right here, this note, I'm also going to delete that because we're not going to use it. So this is our campaign right here. It's our Refer a Friend campaign. It starts with a tag. Let's go ahead and double click the tag by clicking on the I right in the middle. And it tells us this goal is achieved or this campaign begins when this tag is applied. Start Refer a Friend. Whenever anyone gets that Refer a Friend tag put on their contact record, they are going to be dropped into this campaign. The tag is already created. It's green with little gray stripes through it. That means it's ready. Don't have to worry it's not going anywhere. It's just ready. This is our icon for a sequence, and I'm going to double click right in the middle of it, and you'll see that it's going to remove a tag. So I'm going to double click, and it's going to automatically remove the tag Start Refer a Friend. Now the reason it does this is we use the tag to trigger the campaign and start it. That's all we needed that tag for. Now we're going to take the tag off so the person doesn't have that tag on their record anymore. So if you want to send it to Judy Miller and you put that tag on my account, Infusionsoft will automatically take the tag off in this sequence, and then in 6 months you can put the tag back on me and see if I have any new friends. Infusionsoft will not start me in the campaign if that tag is already on my record. It won't put it on there again. So we take it off so you can put it on again and start them in the campaign again. It's kind of like a loop. After the person gets tagged, it will send them an email. I'm going to double click the little envelope icon and it will open up the email builder. You can come in and change the subject to whatever you want, and I'm going to say, do you have a friend we can help? Question mark. This is where you upload your image. I can shrink it, I can center it, I can move it up to the left-hand corner wherever I want to move it. That's perfect. And then the content is already written and you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. So thank you is a little bit too formal, so I'm going to say thanks for being a valued customer. It will automatically bring in their first name, and then it will ask you, please click here if you'd like to share your friend's name and phone number. Now, Infusionsoft has a very strict permission policy, and we do not let you drop people into an automated campaign or send out a broadcast to a batch group of people unless you have permission to send them emails or put them into a campaign. So we are just asking for your customers to give you their friend's name and their friend's phone number so that you can give them a personalized call. I don't really like this. If you can't think of anybody, that may fit your personality. It doesn't fit mine, so I'm just going to get rid of it. You can get rid or add anything you want to add here. Once you're done, Just come out, click back to sequence, and that email gets sent out automatically back to campaign. If they click on that click here, if you'd like to refer a friend, click here, it is already connected to this form right here. We're going to double click the form, and when we double click the form, you get to build out this form. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete this, come to snippets, and I'm going to add an image. Double click, and I'm actually going to put the same banner in there to keep the right branding. Perfect. Refer your friend. I can change the color if I want. I think I'll leave it like that. Just to let you know, my name and my email address, those are custom fields that will go inside the new contacts record under referral information. This friend's name and friend's phone are the actual contact fields that will make a brand new contact record for the person this person is referring. So I may be referring my friend Becky. I fill out the form and I put my name is Judy. Here's my email address, judymiller@infusionsoft.com. My friend's name is Becky, and my friend's phone number is 480-603-1886. It's going to make a brand new contact record with Becky's name, Becky's phone number, and under Becky's referral information, there's going to be a special field that says referred by Judy and Judy's email address. We don't get their email address because, first of all, they may not have their email address. Like Becky, I don't have Becky's email address, but I do have Becky's phone number in my phone. And you don't have permission to drop someone into an automated campaign until you ask for permission. And Becky doesn't even know you from Adam yet. She just was referred. The please call them, I'm going to double click, and I can change this to whatever I want it to say. Refer my friend. Here is my friend. Save. You can change it to whatever you want. You can change the color. You can change the size by double clicking the button, coming here to advanced styling and clicking it one time, and I can change the color just like that. You can also come into layout and style, and you can change the style if you want and put color around the outside if you want to. Just like that. Whoa, that's really bright, but I like it. The next tab is the thank you page, and the thank you page is going to let Judy Miller know that it was a success and thanks for referring your friend Becky. So I'm going to get rid of this right here. I come into snippets and add my logo again. I can center it. I can make it smaller. And then it says, thanks for referring your friend. It will say, Judy, we will have someone call Becky shortly. You can add in here, and as a special thank you, please use this promo code to get a discount on your next order. Fun 25. So you can either give them a gift, you can put a video on here, you can put a picture on here, you can even put a picture of a coupon on here that they can print off if you are a brick and mortar and somebody comes into your shop. If it's a gym, hey, thanks for referring your friend. Here is a free pass to bring her into our gym and introduce her in person. Again, you can come to layout and style, come to style, and you can put color on that too. Ta-da! The settings tab, if you want to be notified that you have a new referral, just put your email address here. And it will send you a notification that someone just referred one of their friends. If you want two people to know that you got a referral, put a comma and put another email address there. You will automatically be notified that you have a new referral. The code is the last part, and it's already done for you inside the email that says click here, but I just want to show you where they got it from. If you hit use the hosted version, this is the code that goes underneath that click here. It's already in there, so you don't have to do it again. That code is under the click here, and I'll show it to you in a moment. As soon as someone clicks on the refer a friend, it's going to push this campaign to a task. Double click, and the new contact will get a tag applied. The tag that is going to be applied to the new contact, if you double click the tag, says referral. So Becky is going to have a referral tag on her record. And then if we double click this little checkbox, that's called a task. And we're going to create a task called call, and we're going to call this new referral call. It's already created, and it's going to say new referral call, and it's going to put in Becky's name. It's going to say call Becky at this phone number. They were referred to us by Judy, and here's Judy's email address. You're going to assign it to the contact owner. If you're the only person in the app, it will go right to you. And you always have to do backup. Even if you're the only person in the app, you have to do a backup. You're not going to do days until due because it's going to immediately create a task on your dashboard. You don't have to put a time it's due at because if you get 25 of them, you might as well just call them all in a row. The priority is already set to critical, but if you want to change it to essential, you can. And if you want to be notified, you can click on the checkbox and it will notify you again by sending you a little message. Once you make sure this is all ready, you come over to draft and hit ready. Now it turns light green, and now we need to make this whole sequence ready by clicking on draft in the right-hand corner, clicking it to ready. Let's go over the flow. Someone gets a tag. What tag? Double click. You put a tag in their record. It's called Start Refer a Friend. As soon as that tag is put on their record, they get an email. The email says, hey, would you like to refer your friend? Click here. Once they click, this form opens up. Once they fill out this form, it automatically puts a tag on the new person's record called refer, and it sends a task to you to give this new person a phone call. So let's go ahead and publish it by clicking publish. That's Infusionsoft's little binoculars taking a look at the whole campaign and seeing if it's all done. It says, wow, this looks fantastic. Everything's green, so we hit publish again, and Infusionsoft will publish this, which means it's ready to go. I'm going to come into edit mode and test it out and show you how it works. So Autostart Refer a Friend. It starts with a tag. So I'm going to go find Judy Miller. Make sure it's my email address, yep. And I'm going to come into tag, and I'm going to apply the tag, Start Refer a Friend, and hit apply this tag. Save. If you want to see if it worked, you just scroll down and click on campaign. Autostart Refer a Friend. It already removed the tag, so it's not on my record anymore. And it sent me an email that says, do you have a friend we can help? Let's see if it worked. Here's my mail. I already got the email. Download pictures. Hey, thanks, valued customer. Do you know anybody? I do. Click here. It opened up the Refer a Friend form. My name is Judy. My email is, I'm going to refer Donnie, and his phone number is, here's my friend. Once I click in it, it opens up the, hey, thanks for referring your friend Judy, because I referred. We will have someone call Donnie. As a special thank you, use this promo code. It worked. Awesome. Now let's go find Donnie, because it made a brand new contact record. Donnie, phone number, there's his tag referral. If we look under the referral information, you'll see that Judy referred him, and there's Judy's email address just in case you want to click in this envelope and thank her. I can also come to my contacts, and I can start over and I can do a search. There's going to be 2 Donnies in here because I tested it out. I just want to search for people that have the tag referral. right there, search. These are the people that I filled out the form for, and these are the people that referred these people. Judy referred Donnie, she referred Donnie, and she referred Andy Smith. If you come to your dashboard, you will have a task to call the person. You can click on the description. It will tell you tell you everything you need to do here. The other place that you can find tasks, the place I really like, is coming to the house, coming down to my day, and here's our 2 calls we need to make. If you click on the little person on the right-hand side, it will give you the person's name. And if you click on that little icon, it will bring up your referral. Call Donnie at this number. They were referred by Judy. So when you call them, you can say, hey, is Donnie there? Nope, he's not here right now. Okay, I'll call back. Create a task, put in a note, create another task to give him a call, put a note in, call Donnie, and then you can go down to your next one. You can check this off because you already called them, and then another task will appear when you make another task. So if someone is checking to see if you're doing your work, they'll say, yep, she called him and he wasn't there, so she created another task to call him back another day. And that is how you make a Refer a Friend campaign. If you have a group of people in your CRM that you want to give that tag to, a whole group of people, let's hit start over, pick your top 5 customers. So I'm going to pick all of my customers. I'm going to pick my top 5. Let's see. Uncheck everyone. Judy's a good customer. Jerry is a good customer. Leanna's a good customer. And Tommy's a good customer. Pick your 5 top customers. Come to Actions. Click on Apply Tag. You're going to apply the tag Start Refer a Friend because that's the tag that triggers that campaign. You hit the Save button. You hit the Process Action button, and it will push all 5 of those people into that campaign where they'll get the tag taken off. They'll get an email that has a link that they can click so they can get referrals. There's one more thing I want to show you before I sign off. In the Refer a Friend campaign, you will notice that there's this goal right here, this form, and has a funny little man there. That means that people in this campaign do not have to start by getting a tag. You can just send people that link. So just say you want to send it in Gmail, you don't want to send it in this email right here. Double click. You're talking to someone on the phone and she says, hey, can you send me the link? Absolutely I can. Grab the code, come get hosted version, take this code and send it to the person you're on the phone with. They can fill it out, and as soon as they fill it out, it will push this person in the campaign, and it will pop them over here and give you a task. This means that anybody can be in this, anyone can reach this goal. It doesn't have to be a person that starts right here. They can start from here. So the idea is if you have a newsletter that you send out every month, you can have a little teeny portion on the bottom that says, do you have a friend that we can help? We'll give you a $100 bonus if they purchase a car from us. Click here to refer a friend. And when they click there, it will automatically open up this same form and give you the same task. They didn't have to get put in here and get this email here. So thanks for joining me. I hope that this Refer a Friend campaign helped you. I hope that you will get in and create that. Go into the marketplace, grab it, make it yours, put a little bit of yourself in there, your personality, your branding colors, and then start getting referrals and getting more new customers. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope that this helped you. We want you to be using the software. We really, really, really do love our customers, so thank you for being part of the Infusionsoft family. Bye-bye.